7 Plus, which is an interesting phone released from Nokia quite recently. It's like between the Nokia 6 and the Nokia 8 in terms of the spec. This one I have got from abroad, so I'm getting 6 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs internal storage for a very reasonable price, mid-range kind of price tag, not that expensive. We're just going to unbox and have a look at the phone here. So I was a big fan of the Nokia 6 and Nokia 8 last year, so this one hopefully will keep with the good build quality. You can see it's coming with very interesting design here. It looks like it's got like a bronze going around it, and it feels very solid here on first impression. So we're just going to put this aside and see what else you get. So as I said, I did get this from abroad, and you will notice maybe some little differences with the contents here. We are getting like earphones, you can see, quite decent here. Nokia branded as well, charger, and what else, you're getting a fast charger maybe. It looks quite decent, Nokia branded, that's the main thing. And your instruction manual, as you can see, and a SIM tool to get the SIM out, and that's your lot. You know, not too much then, not in terms of cases and things, but let's have a look at the main show here, which, as I said, comes with a very decent spec for the price here. Can't complain whatsoever. You can see it's got quite a big display as well in terms of profile, not completely bezel-less, but decent really. And you can see it's got Zeiss technology, so the camera should be something quite decent. Get that off. So very interesting build quality, I've got to say. I mean, I really like this like chamfer going around the edges. It goes pretty well with my curtains actually, as you may have noticed. Headphone jack, which is nice, and your fingerprint scanner on the back here. Oh, I think Nokia's going to do some big things this year, I really do. I think they're going to shake up the market, because you know, they have been putting out some amazing phones. Type C as well at the bottom, very nice to see. Just see what it looks like here, starting up. You get Nokia at the top as well. That I haven't seen since like the Lumia 900 or something, ages ago since they did that. So this is the interface here. Now the interface may differ a little bit for the Western market, but this is obviously from abroad, so do bear that in mind. Looks like we have a skin here which looks pretty weird. I agree to that. So where is the app drawer? That is the question. Where is the app drawer? We don't know. We will find out though eventually. Maybe there isn't an app drawer, maybe they've gotten rid of it. So do we have any way to change the... No, it seems they've gotten rid of it. So it looks like pretty much every manufacturer here is going without the app drawer. Very controversial, but you know, some people I guess can get used to that. I'm gonna have to disable that tips thing, because that is pretty annoying. It comes up on every single thing there. So system, in terms of the system, we're getting, I'm guessing 8. Your Oreo, as you can see. There might be some software updates though. So very interesting, because before they had a very stock kind of like interface, which was quite nice actually. I don't know why they've done away with it. unless this is running some sort of third-party stuff. There's no real reason, I don't think. We can definitely see here getting some really nice spec for the money. 6 gigs of RAM. Your battery is quite big as well, I think. Let's have a look at the camera here, what we're getting. So I think as you can see, it's coming with a Pro mode and also live bokeh. So that should theoretically allow you to do your artistic kind of shots here. Saying depth success there, but it's not really too near. You see, I find sometimes these implementations on mid-range device are a little bit hit and miss, but I'll probably take it out and have a look at how the camera does perform, because Nokia has got some good legacy there. Do we get 4K? Let's have a look. So, doesn't seem to be. Can't see the video here. Let's just try. Do we have a video way of going? Yes, we do. Let's go this one. So resolution. Yes, you do have Ultra HD here, which is quite nice. And also, obviously, you have your live ability here as well. So I think that's actually more integrated with the EVDO here. I'm not sure if you can get that with YouTube, but it'd be pretty cool if you could. So nice looking camera here. Do we get any themes or anything just before we round the video off? Let's have a look here. So in the wallpapers, quite familiar from the last Nokia phones. As you can see, these look quite similar to before. I have a strong feeling that this is running a third-party launcher here, so I'm probably going to look into how to get rid of it on the next video. But maybe this is the actual launcher, maybe this is what you're going to expect with this phone.